Guys, today is me, Javier, and today we're playing another video named Video Car Cars with Alex. And today, I couldn't find him.
I see you, Javier.
Okay. Alex coming. Okay. So, now I got damage. Great. Wait, do I see you? Oh, you're coming. Yeah, you're. Wait, let me turn it. Oh.
Yeah, I see you. You're partying. Don't move.
I can see you. Where are you?
I can hear you.
Oh, hi, Alex. Oh, you have. Oh, me too.
Wait, let me break you a little bit.
Huh? No. Wait, let me do it. I will break myself. Wait. Let's see.
I was there.
Wee.
Something.
Ooh.
Okay, now I can
Do not come over there.
Okay, look I am. How I look? I don't want them.
Okay, wait. Never crash you. So you tell you like happened last time.
Ow! I want to fix me.
Oh, sorry.
I was scared from you. I don't love you anymore. I was scared from you.
Okay, I died. Okay,
I will cry.
I made a challenge. I actually have a challenge for you, Alex.
I know what this challenge.
Okay, you're not gonna be on the videos.
Because you crushed me.
That was an accident.
And that was an accident.
I thought you. Okay, be quiet.
I will try to give her a lot of money.
Okay. I'll do my fast mode. Wait. Okay. Oh. Ooh. That was criminal. Ooh. So. Okay, and this is kind of good. Then I capture myself, and this time we're going to the most hardest thing in the world. Let's see this car.
I cannot get money.
Oh, yeah. Okay, whoa! No, I'm getting crashed. Wait, who's there? Wait, that's a new person? That's not our person.
Good. Two person.
No.
Good too.
I see people. Sorry, mine's key. Okay, let's use this one. Oh, bruh. Okay, now we're going to that. Oh, where's the from that one? I never make videos with people. No. I'm losing my speed, bro. I don't know. Oh no, not more damage. Here he is. I need to get my speed and then stop. Let's see if this is gonna work because I never did that in my life. I do that when I didn't make the video about this. Let's see. We're gonna complete this and nothing. I'm gonna break apart. Ooh. Ow. That's gonna be hard. I actually never use. I never make videos with people. Now I'm gonna break this thing. Then I break the wall. Oh. Okay. Here you come. Here he is. Okay, let me do it fast. Oh my god. Okay, now on that level now, let's see if it's gonna work. I hope it's gonna work.
Look at me.
Okay, oh.
I just please.
Okay, I'm doing my fast. Oh, that's a notable damage. It worked. It's not working. Please, just. I was so close. Okay.
Abby, help me. I'm stuck.
Okay, wait. And wait.
Come on.
Oh my God, that's a lot.
What? Hey, go.
Huh? Oh no. Oh my mommy. Oh!
Nope. Ah!
Oh wait, I have 7 people. Yeah.
Abby, I died.
Oh, sorry. So
This time they'll kill me.
okay, I'm not gonna kill you. Now somebody
I'm
crash.
gonna
Yes,
kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
You cannot report in this game, bro. If you put report, you're gonna get out of the game. Yeah. Okay, I have a challenge for you, Alex. If you die you like 10 times, you leave. But if I die 10 times, I'm gonna end the video and I'm gonna leave. Then. So I already crashed. I have 6 and you're like 1. So I don't know what should I do. I'm gonna crash because I don't wanna end the video like that. I will make my best. No! Oh, bro, I'm gonna die. Then I die.
I will go that way.
I'm trying to find you, bro. And there's a lot of happy faces.
Oh, I have to go there.
There's a bunch of people. Okay, wait, let me go fast. Gotta go fast.
Come on.
I look what that guy's right. And you around me. Oh. Just kidding, I'm on the right. Alex, I can't find you. Oh no, I almost crashed. I can't find you, Alex.
The picador are not a happy face?
What?
The picador are not a happy face?
Yeah. So, what? Oh. So, guess what?
What?
Alex leave the game because he needs to. Oh. Google!
Gaga!
Okay, I'm gonna say that. He's too crazy. So.
This is Googie Gaga. What?
Oh no, I'm gonna die. 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 Oh, I died. I had 7 times to almost delete this video. I mean, I don't know. What is this picture? So here it is. What I have. This is what I have, baby. Oh, yeah, I know that's it. Oh, yes! Let's see, you can fly and not really fly. Oh, shall we crash that guy? Yeah. Take that! That's revenge. Find you, brick guy. Where did he go? Where did he go?
I'm gonna look new today.
Oh, 3 people now. Let's go. Bad.
I'm gonna have a new car. What's a car?
Let's see, I can't. Oh my God, it's so good.
It's a little bit hard.
Oh, I crashed. I didn't look.
This car looks boring.
What the?
Okay.
What is this? What is this? My name's Nish. Oh, you're gone. Right. Okay, let's see if I can fly. 1, 2, 3! Oh my god! I never did it before. Oh no, I just did stop. Oh my god. Because look, I don't damage. What? And there's no people anymore. That's kind of bad.
This costs a lot of money. I want to buy this one.
Okay. Oh no, I think I had 8. I had. Oh no, I think I can do this. I think I need to end the video soon. I don't want to. I think I need to end the video. Wait, let me crash a little bit. I need to crash it like. Yeah, like 2 more, I think.
1 hour later.
This is the last one. I'm 4 and 9. Time to crash now. Huh? What's happening?
Pero esto lo voy a pagar. Mira.
Just forget it. So this is the last one. Now I need to crash. Now, finally, I need to end the video. Bye guys. And thanks for watching for this video. And I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.